Hello everyone and welcome back to English Tutor Hub official channel. And today's video will delve into what is an imperative sentence, a detailed note. Imperative sentence. Come here quickly. Come is a base verb. Here is an adverb. Quickly is an adverb. An imperative sentence is the type of sentence that is used to give a command, order or instruction, or make a request, suggestion, or offer. The usual structure of interrogative sentences is verb 1, that is the base verb, plus any other element. There are a lot of things about imperative sentences that have been covered in this video. Continue to watch the video to learn imperative sentence definition, meaning, uses, types, example sentences with clear explanations. This video covers imperative sentence definition and meaning. What is an imperative sentence? Definition of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence examples. Imperative sentence versus imperative mood. Types of imperative sentence. And frequently asked questions. What is an imperative sentence? What is an imperative sentence? The word imperative means an authoritative command or order. The same meaning is found in the definition of an imperative sentence. As a result, an imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or order. What is an imperative sentence? In simple language, an imperative sentence, as the name suggests, is a type of sentence that acts as a command. That is, imperative sentences are used to give someone a command, order or instruction, or make a request, offer or suggestion to them. The common word order or structure of an imperative sentence is the base form, first form of a verb, plus any other element. However, there are more other essential structures of imperative sentence that we'll discuss later in this video. Imperative sentence examples. Number 1, come here, John. Number 2, submit your homework today. Number 3, write an essay on the importance of education. Number 4, write an article on hostel life. Number 5, please help me. Number 6, produce the criminal within 24 hours. Number 7, go and sleep immediately. Number 8, learn grammar to speak English. Number 9, help the needy. Now that you've gone through the definition of an imperative sentence and that you know that a sentence consists of a subject and a predicate, you must be thinking about the following question. Why is an imperative sentence called a sentence? The question is simple, so is the answer. You all know that a sentence must contain a subject and a predicate because a sentence is a group of words that consist of a subject and a predicate. However, in the above mentioned examples of imperative sentences, you've seen that only a verb plus other element is used in them. The question is why we call an imperative sentence a sentence. Because it doesn't have a subject, The answer is very simple. An imperative sentence has an implicit or hidden subject that is understood and hidden in the base form of the verb. Therefore, we can call an imperative sentence a sentence. Types of imperative sentences in English. Like declarative and interrogative sentences, imperative sentences can be classed into two categories. There are two types of imperative sentences. Number 1, affirmative or positive imperative sentence, and 2, negative imperative sentence. What is an affirmative imperative sentence? An affirmative imperative sentence, also known as positive imperative sentence, is a type of imperative sentence that is used to give an order or instruction or make a request or suggestion. The usual structure of an affirmative imperative sentence is base form of a verb plus any other element. Affirmative imperative sentence examples. Come here quickly. Come equals base form of verb. Here and quickly equals adverbs. Do your homework. Do is the base form of the verb. Your homework is a noun phrase. Speak in English. Speak is a base form of verb. In English is a prepositional phrase. What is a negative imperative sentence? Number 2, a negative imperative sentence is used to stop someone from doing something. It can make a suggestion or express strict prohibition. The usual structure of a negative imperative sentence is don't plus base form of the verb plus any other element. Negative imperative sentence examples. Don't go there. Don't plus go equals base form of verb plus adverb. Don't forget it. Don't plus forget equals base form of verb plus object pronoun. Don't sleep in the room. Don't plus sleep equals base form of verb plus prepositional phrase. Structures of imperative sentences. The normal structure or word order of an imperative sentence has been mentioned earlier in the article. However, there are more structures of imperative sentences that we use in both spoken and written English. They are given below with uses and examples. Number 1, imperative sentence with the verb do. In a very formal context, the verb do is used with an imperative sentence to emphasize the statement. So the structure would be do plus base form of verb plus any other element. Examples of imperative sentence with do. I'm getting married next week. Please do come. Do get up early in morning so that we don't miss the flight. Do submit your assignment quickly. Number 2, imperative with the verb let. When we want to make a suggestion, we use the imperative sentence structured with the verb let. The verb let is used with the first person plural object pronoun us, as in let us or let's. So the structure of such imperative sentences would be let's or let us plus base form of a verb plus any other element. Examples of imperative sentence with let. Let's go to the movies this weekend. Let us discuss the political theory prescribed in the syllabus. Let's see what happens. Number 3, imperative with the subject pronoun you. If you've read the question and answer to it mentioned in the beginning portion of the article, then you know that an imperative sentence doesn't have an explicit subject. However, there's a situation when we can use the subject pronoun you in an imperative sentence. The subject pronoun you is used with an imperative sentence to actually emphasize the statement in informal language. Examples of imperative sentence with you. Don't you worry, I'm with you. Don't you ever use my phone. Don't you ever come to my house. The subject pronoun you can also be used with an imperative sentence when we use two contrasting ideas. Look at the examples. You do this, I'll do that. You sit here, he'll sit there. You eat chocolate, I'll eat candy. Number 4. Imperative sentence with indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns such as no one, someone, everybody, and others can be used with imperative sentences. So the structure would be indefinite pronoun plus base form of a verb plus any other element. Examples of imperative sentence with indefinite pronouns. Everybody enjoy the party. Someone help him please. No one sit here. Uses of imperative sentence. Imperative sentences can be used to express different purposes, such as authoritative command, order, instruction, offer, request, suggestion, etc. A. Imperative sentence for authoritative command. Produce the accused in the court, which is the judge. Get up at exactly 4 o'clock in the morning. Army General. B. Imperative sentence for order. Submit your homework within a week. That is a teacher. Enter the classroom on time. Principal. C. Imperative sentence for instructions. Take this road to reach your destination. Have one pile of each packet after your breakfast. D. Imperative sentence for request. Please tell me the name of the movie. Please show me how I can go to the market. E. Imperative sentence for suggestion. Let us have dinner now. Let's go to the movies. F. Imperative sentence for offer. Have this apple and eat it. Take my pen and write. Frequently asked questions. What is an imperative sentence? What does imperative sentence mean? An imperative sentence means a sentence that gives you a command or order or stop you from doing something. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence, as the name suggests, is a type of sentence that acts as a command. That is, imperative sentences are used to give someone a command, order or instruction, or make a request, offer or suggestion to them. Imperative sentence examples. 1. Come here, John. 2. Submit your homework today. 3. Write an essay on the importance of education. 4. Write an article on hostel life. 5. Please help me. 6. Produce the criminal within 24 hours. 7. Go and sleep immediately. 8. Learn grammar to speak English. 9. Help the needy. Imperative sentence versus imperative mood. An imperative sentence is a group of words that has a hidden subject and a mentioned predicate used to give order, whereas an imperative mood is grammatical mood present within an imperative sentence that demands that an action be performed. The main difference between an imperative sentence and an imperative mood is that an imperative sentence is a group of words having a hidden subject and a mentioned predicate, whereas the imperative mood tells you how you should regard a sentence as a command. So, this video ends here about what is an imperative sentence, a detailed note. Thanks for watching.